Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Friday and then today, Monday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement, not only from the volume perspective, but price-wise, very apparent than where it was just on Friday at the open down here at 740. Now all of a sudden it's basically made an entire dollar move in just a couple of days. Definitely the price is undergoing some solid bullishness right now. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Ideal level of support going forward. If you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best would be if the price can stay up there above $8.25. With that being said, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if the price falls below $8.25, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 825 would be great, but as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Overall, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, for this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Always a good problem to have when you have to still start to go back into a chart's history. So let's get this changed to red for resistance. So as far as next potential sellers are concerned and where they may be hiding out, next key level to watch is going to be right up there around $8.75. So as of right now, definitely some room to run. Does that mean that it's guaranteed to go up to $8.75? Not saying that. I'm just saying that technically speaking, it's kind of a miniature no man's land right now, right up around this area of the chart. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing as far as lows are concerned, so as long as the price keeps on chipping away with these higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps keep progressing in the upwards direction, then just sit back and let the overall trend do what it's continued to do. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.